Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Colorado sales tax account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in colorado.gov/revenue-online and then press enter. You will now be taken into the revenue website for the Colorado state government. Now, right from the homepage, you will see the login portal where you will be asked to enter your username and password. Type in your username within the username box and then type in your account password that you have set up while signing up. Then click on the login button and you will be logged into your Colorado sales tax account right away. In case you have forgotten your username or password, you can click on Forgot Username or Password button underneath the login box and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Colorado sales tax. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.